Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Got your coffee, guys. How's everybody doing out there this morning on this terrific Tuesday? You're having a marvelous day today. Woo! If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright guys, for everybody else, welcome back. This is Pandora the Cryptobabe and we are back. If you have not checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Alright guys, as you can see, we're on the website of BrunoEx, right? Last time we talked, my plan ended actually on January 27th, but I did come back and say, hey, they've got a great exchange service, so if you guys were interested in that, I highly recommend utilizing the service to exchange crypto and buy and sell crypto, alright? And I had a great experience with BrunoEx. All was well, no drama. All withdrawals went through. When I sent a email to support, they responded. No issues, right? So the plan ended, and I just basically walked away. I just didn't renew. I didn't put any more crypto in the platform. But there was no issues. And guess what? I'm back. That's the great thing. If you have a good platform, right? Because they're rare, really good ones. Okay, we have the pumps and the pump and dump ones, right? We know they're here for a short period of time, kind of sort of thing. But then you will come across a few good gems where the owners, the CEOs, really care about the community. They care about their reputation. They care about the program. They care about the people, and they're here for the long haul. BrunoEx is one of those. All right. And after looking in this space, you know, this space is very, very risky. And when you find a good one, you hold on to it. So I am back with BrunoEx. I've been gone, the 27th of January, my plan ended. So we're just a week from a month. So I've been gone 3 months out of the platform. Right? 3 weeks. I'm sorry. 3 weeks. And we're back. So we're back with BrunoEx. It is back on the website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. We decided to come back in because, again, good platforms are rare, sustainable ones. It's okay to have the hypes here and there. I'm talking about my journey. Everybody has their own. But I like to be able to have some stable ones in my arsenal, right? And BrunoEx is one of those. So, we're back. Now, let's talk about it. And I have learned more information because the owner actually did an AMA. And that was awesome. So that made it even better, okay, that I've learned some more about the company. But yeah, this is a great one to check out. You do your own research. Only use risk capital, not just in BrunoEx, but any platform, right? All right, so let's talk about it a little bit. Let's go over this website. BrunoEx. Swift and endless crypto exchange. So yes, they have a crypto exchange, right? In which you can exchange crypto, swap it out from one to the next. You can buy and sell crypto as well. And it's in specific geographical areas. So you have to check to see if it's in your area. All right, but they offer this service. Over 600,000 exchange pairs to choose from. Non-custodial exchange. Buy, sell crypto through credit cards and debit cards. Now, I learned something here. This non-custodial exchange makes a lot of sense because with BrunoEx, There's no KYC when it comes to these services. Exchanging crypto, buying and sell. They don't need no information from you. You don't have to have an account, any of that. So the understanding of this custodial is such as, you know, some platforms you have to go in, like let's say a Binance. When you log in, you have to connect your wallet in there. So now they have your wallet address, and then you do your swaps and whatever you do. So they have access to your wallet, right? BrunoEx doesn't have access to any of that, so it's non-custodial. They're not asking you for your wallet address. All you need to do is go in here and they have no access to it. You just process your requests. All right, no login is required. All right, so that's pretty cool to get an understanding of what that really means. All right, so they do have this service. Now they've been online since October 2022. 31,000 successful swaps. That's a hell of a lot. 2,650 active users. 600,000 exchange pairs. Now they've been around, 16 months? And it's not a sexy ROI, okay? For most people, they like the hypes. People like the hypes, okay? But that's great, but I still think you should have these type of platforms in your arsenal. All right, so they're not getting I think the visibility they could have, and maybe they're visible, but people just they're not really paying a lot. But guess what? They're still here because think about it. Sit back and count all the ones that are not here since October 2022. Okay, they're still here, so that's sustainable. All right, guys, so consider that. Fast cryptocurrency exchange, 99.5% success rate. And by the way, I've used this exchange before a few times. 5 minutes average in exchange time, no additional fees. Track your transaction status live. Now, they're not just an exchange. We're going to get to, they also have investment plans as well. Steps to exchange. You're going to choose your exchange pair. Pick one of the 600,000 supported currency pairs from the list. It's step 1. Step 2, make your deposit. Step 3, obtain your swapped crypto. Okay? That's how that works. And it's pretty quick. They even have a video on here. My understanding is they're going to be updating that video. Okay? But it does give you step by step how to do it. They're going to update a new one. Now, let's look at this. Let's go over here because I want to talk about something, because I kind of made some notes from hearing from the owner of the company. So they've been around 16 months. They offer exchange services and it's going strong, right? But guess what? BrunoEx doesn't, they diversify, guys. They're not just an exchange company. The owner says only maybe 15 to 20% of their investment return is from this exchange. So this is not the money maker, if you will, by people just using their exchange. Guess what? They are in other, they're diversified, so they're in other investments. So let's take a look. Is it on this screen? I made a note of it though. Yeah, here we go. Check it out. Crypto trading, and he mentioned that as well. They into crypto trading, real estate, oil and gas, forex trading, and gold trading. All right, he mentioned that they do their trading manually. They don't have any bots. They have a master trader. All right, and this is what they're into. Okay, because he explained, which makes sense. You don't want your whole platform based on, it's okay. Okay, there's platforms that do this, but they don't want their whole platform based on one sector. Because if that sector, for example, say crypto, the market, we know how that goes. You have your downward market, right? You have, so when the market is up or down, it's all based on crypto. And if that's the only way of earning, right, that could be a bust. Whereas the way they're working it, they have different sectors that they're a part of. So let's say crypto is down. Guess what? They still got real estate. They still got oil and gas. All right. They still got gold trading. They still have Forex. You see what I'm saying? So I thought that was awesome. And I remember this, but I guess I forgot about it when I first got into this 3 months ago. But this is very important, guys. Okay? This is very, very important to be aware of. All right? So BrunoEx is definitely a platform you want to look into. All right? So I thought that was interesting. So the bulk of their earnings is not from being an exchange at all. 15 to 20%. Okay? This is what the owner said. Okay? Of course, I have no way to know for sure. I'm just telling you what was presented. And they've been around since October 22. Okay? So they're maintaining very well. So obviously they're doing something right. Okay? So what is BrunoEx? I'm not going to read all this to you. I want you to go check it out. But they're a 2-in-1 revolutionary platform for the crypto heads, wherein they provide simple and fast cryptocurrency exchanges with almost 900 coins available for exchange and holds no limits. You can exchange as much as you want, account free, worry free, and faster than light. All right. The fiat and off-ramp options is available, wherein you can buy or sell cryptocurrency with your credit card or debit card and bank transfers. Moreover, you can choose to invest your cryptocurrency in one of your meticulously crafted and attractive investment plans to earn a passive income regardless of any volatility in the market. Okay? So that's awesome. That is so awesome. So just wanted you guys to be aware of that. And then they have P2P transfer. You can send funds to friends and family within the platform free of charge. All right. So it's a lot to BrunoEx. And then they've got the investment plans. So as you can see right here, here are the investment plans. They have what, 3, 6, 7, 8 investment plans, right? So the standard plan, 3 months, $10 minimum, $1,000 maximum. 3-month plan, you get your capital back at the end of the term, 1.25% a month. The premium plan, 6 months, 2.5% a month, $50 minimum, $10,000 maximum. You get your capital back at the end. The ultimate plan is 1 year, $100 minimum, 5% a month. You get your capital back at the end of this one. These 3, you do not get your capital back, but you can withdraw from every Thursday. All right. So daily plan 1.25 is actually 0.14% a day, 90 days, $10 minimum, 1,000 max, 90 days. Then you have your daily plan 0.75. You're earning 0.20% per day for 180 days, 500 minimum, 10,000 max. All right. Daily plan here, the last one, 0.55%. You're actually going to get 0.28% per day for a year. The minimum is 1,000 to get in this one, and it's 100,000 max. All right, guys, and then they've got the prestige plan, exclusive, 0.42% per day. This is fixed for 6 months. All right, and it's $2,500 to get in this one. You get your capital back at the end of the term on this one. Then they have the corporate plan, is 4.5% per week for 3 months, $50,000 minimum, and it's $1 million max for 3 months. You get your capital back at the end. All right, so those are the plans. Okay, Now, we are back in here. Let's go look at our deal really quickly here. All right, so here's our plan. This was the first one we had. It ended January 27th. We went in with 109.77. This one we went in with 200, and it was 1.38 sitting here left over. So that's what at 1.38. So we doubled it. We back in, same plan. This one started today and it ends May 20th. All right, guys. So we are back in the game. Now, we did make some withdrawals in the platform with no issues, no drama with this platform, by the way. All right, so let me show you that I actually did do that. And we've talked about it. I've made videos about it. So it definitely does do what they said they were going to do. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different withdrawals from the platform. USDT BEP20 only. Okay. Crypto in, USDT BEP20 out. All right, guys. So, history, deposit, withdrawals. Okay. Pretty cool platform here. Now, went over the plans, showed you my investment. I'm back in. If we go back to, okay, so you may say, well, if I want to get started, what do I need to do? Right? So you're going to click deposit. Show you this is zeroed right here. So you're going to click deposit. That's the first thing you have to do. You have to make a deposit in the platform. So you're going to click deposit. Here's the coins that they accept. USDT BEP20, ERC20, Polygon, BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC BEP20, XRP, Matic, Polygon, BNB, BEP20. Okay? That's what they accept. So let's say you do that. You click here, click deposit. Type the amount. Okay. Amount to deposit. Make your selection. Which coin are you going to use? Click continue to deposit. Once you do that, the QR code will appear, guys. All right. Give it a little time to show up. And then it's going to show up over here in the main balance. Okay. Once it shows up here in the main balance, then you select your plan. You come here, and I'll show you because I have 0 in the balance here, right? So if I try to go and select the plan first, right? Let's just say I do that. Guess what? It's going to say insufficient because there's nothing in the balance. There's nothing in the account. See? No funds in your account. And they tell you, you click here to make your deposit. So you have to make a deposit first. Once it shows in the balance here, then you click our plans and go ahead and select your plan. Alright, guys? Pretty cool system. Alright, then they have the referrals here as well. This is a passive platform, but if you decide you want to share it. Alright, guys, so definitely go check out BrunoEx, see what it's all about. Glad to be back in the platform. Alright, so the link is in the description. Check it out, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what they're all about. Again, please make sure you're only using risk capital. Alright, guys, thank you. See you on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.